Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to discuss an important topic for professionals: how to message someone on LinkedIn when you're not connected. LinkedIn is a powerful platform for networking and building connections, so let's dive into the 10 ways you can reach out to someone on LinkedIn. 1. Scan their LinkedIn profile for a potential contact information. Some LinkedIn users provide contact information on their profiles, such as email addresses or phone numbers. Here in this video I'm showing my own profile which has email address in it. Also, another example by going to a random profile which has resume including phone number and email address. You can use those details to reach out to them directly. Step 2. Follow them and comment on their posts. By following someone's LinkedIn profile and engaging with their posts through thoughtful comments, you can grab their attention and start a conversation. Step 3. Send them an invite to connect. If you're not connected with the person you want to contact, you can send them a connection request. Once they accept your request, you can send them a message directly. Step 4. Join the same group and message them from there. If you and the person you want to contact are members of the same LinkedIn group, you can send them a message through the group. It's a great way to connect with professionals who share similar interests or belong to the same industry. Step 5. Ask a mutual connection for an introduction. If you have a mutual connection with the person you want to reach out to, consider asking for an introduction. This can help establish a connection and increase the likelihood of a positive response. Step 6. If they are a premium member, send them an open profile message. Premium members on LinkedIn have the option to enable the open profile feature. This allows you to send them a message even if you're not connected, making it easier to reach out. Step 7. Become a premium member and send them an InMail. InMail is a premium feature on LinkedIn that enables you to send messages to people outside of your immediate network. With a premium LinkedIn account, you can use InMail to reach out to individuals who are not connected to you. Step 8. Check their contact details and engage with them on other platforms. If the person has shared their contact details or mentioned their presence on other networking platforms like Twitter, you can engage with them there to start a conversation. Step 9. Check their contact details for a website URL. Some LinkedIn users include a website URL in their profile. If relevant, visit their website and engage with them through the provided contact information. Step 10. Use tools to find their contact information. There are tools available, like ZoomInfo or Chrome extensions, that can help you find someone's email address, phone number. However, it's important to respect privacy and professional boundaries when using these tools. And there you have it. 10 different ways to message someone on LinkedIn, even if you're not connected. Remember to be professional, respectful, and personalize your messages to increase your chances of a positive response. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. If you find the content valuable, please consider liking and subscribing to our channel.